Right. Um, for this stage, so I'm speaking about chapter 6, the stage heavy wind. You have three boss. You absolutely need some CC for the first one. The best one is the healer, where you can kiss the boss. Then you need some tank. Vladimir is a good one. Physical damage, and you don't need AoE, so it's maybe better to set that one to one-shot people, because you need to burst the people. So you have the silence there and the kiss there. So only thing you need is to kiss and charm this champion. So the charm didn't prop this time, so just need to one-shot her. Oh, that's good. No, I shall not pass now this level because she ultimates. For the second one, I can show that you need to burst him. So now he's charmed, so you can DPS free. Well, that's over. That's over. So you need to restart. You need some CC. The best one is the charm. Then you need no AoE, so you don't need Ember or other like that. Just a tank and one single target damage. A good one is also the archer there, but mine is too low, so I cannot use her. But if you got Gale, you can use Gale. I just need to set my kiss. If the kiss miss, I'm gonna lose. Okay, I missed the kiss, so it's gonna be hard, but it's silent, so now I need to one shot before she bursts my team. Alright. Okay. So that's not that bad, but the issue is now I'm gonna, after 3 seconds, you're gonna ultimate, and I need my heal. Okay, I'm fine. You see, it was a little hard, but I got that. So now you can use your DPS there. I charmed, so that's nice, because. And now I've this one with full charge, Selene, and you can burst the last one. Last one is Vladimir, so you can just wait. Can wait that he uses his ultimate to save your team. So first I'm gonna heal my team. Now he uses his ultimate. After he's got healing himself, now I burst him. See? So I wait with all my ulti, and then I finish him. You can also try in one time, but yeah, it's maybe not that easy. Alright. For the rest, if you are the best team for the rest is that team, because you need AoE damage, so Ember is very good, and with that composition I made all the rest of the of the campaign. And after getting the chapter 7, you can go into the red, and there you can see that you have pretty badass champion who are level 51, and you can see that Tasman is currently the first of the server. Third is Magic Sting, but I think he waits to upgrade his team before trying today. And I give a try. Today I'm currently the 8th of the server, but yeah, maybe today a lot of people gonna also try to do it. You have to try, so you have no cost of chicken. You need to twice do the red. After that, you got one daily quest that give some nice stuff. Alright, that's enough for today. I'm gonna stop.